Here throughout the river.
Ngon lâu rồi. Lần thứ nhì.
Anyone remember the movie Mrs. Congeniality with Sandra Bullock? Part of the movie was filmed right here in the States. The swimming suit contest was done right there with the movie Mrs. Congeniality with Sandra Bullock.
Miss Congeniality á. Nó đóng này. Nó đóng cái mà trà ly á nhá không?
Ở đó nữa hả?
Chút nữa mình đi chồng.
Now the downtown river walk got started in 1930 and it was finished in 1941. It took them about 11 years to build the downtown river walk. It was done by the architect named Robert Hoffman, graduated from the University of Texas. He came here in 1929. The city called him to come here and make a river park and a river walk out of this. Have you guys seen these big old trees here? These are called ball cypress and native to the state of Texas. Beautiful trees, about 70 plus feet high. In some cases about 600 years or older.
Quay hả? Đi cỡ giấy. Hảo quay rồi. Quay biểu diễn.
And if you guys look over here on your left side, underneath the bridge, there is a series of canals or acequias from here. They used to take the waters to the different missions that we have south the city from here. One of them is Mission Concepcion. So this is the way they used to carry water to a different mission through a series of canals.
Cho mình ăn được mấy tấm hình chứ. Người mình đã nhỏ nhắn.
And right here in front of you guys, to your right side, you guys are going to see this little island. The little island is called Marriage Island. It's a very popular place here along the downtown area where you can come and get married or engaged. Right there, this is called Marriage Island. Like I said yesterday, they had at least 5 weddings that took place right here. So all the weddings take place during the weekend. The hotel right next to it is Hotel La Contessa.
Dịch cái tiếng dịch kìa. Gặp đứa nhỏ, tôi có mấy dịch nó 2 tuổi. Em con rất kỳ. Vậy đừng. Về mẹ lãng mẹ không bông. Lá vàng, lá đỏ.
This hotel right here on your right side.
Nhớ quay cái
This is the Westin Hotel, opened in 1997.
Nhớ quay dịch.
And if you guys look in front of you guys, way straight ahead, and you see that reddish building with the green roof, that is the Bexar County Courthouse, the oldest continuous working courthouse in Texas, established in 1897. Right straight ahead in front of you guys. And right here on your left side, this is the Tower of Life building, here to the left side. The Tower of Life building, opened in 1929. It's about 30 stories high, the Tower of Life building. And the architecture of the building is what they call Gothic. They got gargoyles way up there with the flag is flying. You guys can see a gargoyle. And right here, underneath these windows on your left side, you guys can see these strange looking faces right there. You guys can see them right there? Yeah. Oh, so that's the Tower of Life building opened in 1929. It's about 30 stories high.
1929.
Right here on my right side, this is the Homewood Suites Hotel. Opened in the 1900s. It used to be called the San Antonio Drug Company, but it has been redone very nicely here by the Homewood Suites Hotel. It's a beautiful hotel right here along the downtown river walk. Now, if you guys can look through my back here for a second, you're going to have another view of the Tower of Life building. It is octagonal in shape. The inside of the building, the only octagonal inside the building left in the United States at this point. And you guys see the gargoyles up there at the top of the building and all that. And once again, the building in front of you guys, the very building with the green roof, that is the Bexar County Courthouse, the oldest continuous working courthouse here in Texas. I'm going to exit this channel here, my friends. In case you guys are wondering how do we protect ourselves from flooding or how do we keep the steady level of water, we got 5 floodgates to the downtown river walk One of them is right here underneath this arch. You see a little green line? What he's saying is that one of the floodgates is down at the bottom of the channel.
Green line.
Allowing us to go by. This is floodgate number 4. And the reason they were built is because back in the 1920s, they started getting bad flows through the city, and there was a record happened in 1921 when we had a wall of water, September 17 of 1921. They had a wall of water that came 9 feet above street level, and it killed about 50 people throughout the city, destroyed a lot of the downtown area. And that is part of the creation of these floodgates. And if you guys look over here to the left and south, the river does continue left and south from here, 138 miles all the way to the Gulf of Mexico.
Ra cái đó là biển luôn á.
Ê, vậy là ở đây nó lên xuống theo thủy triều luôn hả?
Nó
lên chút xíu rồi. Đó, nó lên tới đó. Nó lên xuống không nhiều.
138 miles to the Gulf of Mexico.
Sao nó dây ngược lại vậy?
Now right there, on your right side where these people are walking, this is the outer portion of the downtown river walk, right here. It allows for anyone to be able to do the whole loop of the downtown river walk without having to step to the street level. It's about 2 miles or so, right there. So this is the outer portion of the downtown river walk, and right here we're going through what we call a flood bypass channel. So in case we're threatened with heavy rains or flooding, we close all the gates to the downtown river walk, and then we divert the water right through this channel and south, and preventing the flow waters from affecting the river walk, and it works very, very well.
Nãy giờ mà cứ trồng đồ cái dịch thôi.
Con cái nước này nó có được
Luân chuyển chứ, nước ra vô mà. Thì nó là kinh đạo mà, nó dẫn vô vậy. Rồi nó đen vậy thôi. Thì nói chung là nó cũng là một dạng nước tù, nó không động nhưng mà nó cũng không có flow. Nó đâu có sông đâu.
Right here is your right side. This is the Rudy Plaza Hotel. Right here on my left side is the main plaza of San Antonio, established in 1731. The main plaza is the
On the left
oldest
side.
municipality in Texas.
Chắc cái này nè. Chắc vậy cho mình nói với ai đâu. Main
Plaza,
plaza đúng rồi.
You're going to see San Fernando Cathedral way out there. San Fernando Cathedral in the main plaza is the oldest working cathedral in the United States. You can see it right over there. That is San Fernando Cathedral way over there. It's pretty nice at night time to light up the whole place right there. So that is the main plaza of San Antonio. And they have all kinds of things happening over there throughout the year.
Ba mẹ say hi cái
If you
gì?
guys look straight ahead in front of you, the river does
Sao vô bóng tối mới kêu ba mẹ say hi kì. Chờ chút là sáng thôi.
Rồi sáng sờ ngược sáng.
They come out of a spring called the Blue.
Hè nước đây có ấm qua. Hè nước. Quay phim.
I'm gonna make a right turn right here, my friends.
Mà ấm lạnh đâu có nhầm nhòi vậy má. Mà đâu có
Downtown River Walk. And if you guys look at this big old beautiful tree in front of you guys see the tree in front of you? That is the oldest tree we have.
Đâu?
in downtown
Tree nào vậy?
River Walk.
This one?
We call it a Montezuma cypress. It's about 300 years old.
300 years. 300 năm rồi.
Cái này 300 năm.
We're gonna make a turn here and we're gonna get back into the
Nó bèo quá
downtown
vậy.
River Walk.
Kiểu này
Now we're going to get back inside the downtown river walk again to another floodgate. This is gate number 3. And it comes from the top to the bottom. It takes about 15 minutes to close. It's about 3.5 feet. But this is the way the river enters the downtown area from the northern part of the city, right through here.
lúc mà nó ngập á, nó đóng lại để cho cái đau thao
This one right here. They'll come down in case we have heavy rain.
Em đang tính nói ghê luôn.
Area.
lết giấy môn cho tới môn kìa.
Môn là gì?
Cây môn. Dạ. Xuống tắm được. Nhảy luôn mà coi chừng đó được không?
Sorry about the noise. It's like a big old fan here. This is the oldest tavern we have here in downtown River Walk, opened in 1933, one day after prohibition in the United States.
Mấy tàu khác nè.
Chưa. Ông này bị kẹt xe. Chưa tới. Đâu mình sẽ drop ở ngay cái hotel á. Xe nào?
Cái gì mới rớt? Đâu phải vậy đúng không? Chị gì?
Mình xuống cái này nó lên cho nó.
Đó, chỗ bến tàu hồi nãy mình đứng nè. Ủa này có chỗ nãy mình đứng không?
Chỗ mình đứng ở bên đây nè, có cái khách sạn cao nhá.
Cái này là một trong mấy chỗ đứng đợi bến tàu nè. Cái tượng. Rồi, cái tượng luôn.
For those of you guys that know about the Selena movie, right in front of you guys, they made the movie Selena with Jennifer Lopez in that little bridge because they took part of the movie, so that's called the Selena Bridge right in front of you guys. For those of you guys that don't know, Selena was a very popular performer from Texas, and they made a movie about her here. Again, this is called the Selena Bridge. On your left side over here is the beautiful La Mansión del Rio Hotel. La Mansión started here as a hotel in 1968, but the building itself was here in 1953 as a private school for boys named St. Mary's, and they turned into a law school. The law school went to the west part of San Antonio to become St. Mary's University Law School.
Ủa sao tối thôi đi? Anh Hiếu để quay phim hả? Lầm rồi. Hụt rồi. Phải cảnh đẹp quá mà hụt rồi. Mấy khách sạn đẹp.
Mày dẹp lép vậy? Hình tam giác hả?
Nó hết đất.
Nó sàn này hình tam giác.
You guys can look to your left on top of the sky. You have to take left on top. Right after I cross this bridge, you're gonna see that.
You nhìn to the left on top. Left on top ở đây à?
On top of the sky, you're gonna see a wall in front of you.
Nè thì đó.
We have this is an optical illusion. We have here 1, 2, and 3. Up to the sky we go.
Wow. Quá trời cao luôn.
27 stories high, opened in 1930 here. People who work in hospital.
Rồi, thấy rồi. Cá mập luôn.
Ba mẹ ơi.
In this section of the downtown Riverwalk, beginning right here for about
Không, chờ chút.
You guys see, it's very busy. We call it the River Square. One of the busiest, a lot of the restaurants and a lot of the stores
Rồi, hết cá mập.
downtown area. And right here in front of you guys,
sao nó không có mờ mờ giống nãy vậy?
Regency Hotel. Opened in 1981.
1981. Ê, hôm bữa mình có đi trong này phải không? Hồi lúc mình đi với trường á.
Thì đó.
Nè mẹ nhìn bên trái đẹp kìa. Cái mò đó mami. Cây lá vàng của mami nè.
Right here on your left side is the entrance to the Hyatt Regency.
The shops
When you go visit the Alamo,
of the Alamo.
all you have to do is walk right there to your left side. I'll take you to the Alamo Plaza and the Alamo. Right on the other side is a beautiful entry.
Shopping nữa hả?
Now this brick
Shopping là chắc
building
chắn
on the
rồi.
right side, this is the Casino Club building.
Casino ba ơi, casino.
1927 is the only building here.
Ai đi shopping thì đi shopping phải không?
Ai đi đâu đi.
Thả ba đây chút về rước ba.
Thảo phải nhớ là ông này ông nói là toàn là originally cơ mà. Hồi 1900 hồi đó nó mở.
Right here on your left side is the Rainforest Cafe when they had the big old green doors right
Đâu
there.
Rainforest đó? Hay hả? Này Rainforest hả?
Đó trong đó đó.
Ok.
Tại cái building nó cũ mà.
Rainforest.
And yes, we do have a CVS pharmacy.
CVS đồng thảo.
Yeah.
And then of course we got all kinds of dogs in here because we tell people not to feed the dogs. They only.
Bán thuốc.
Anyways, it's all this dog central. In case you guys have seen the special for the night, the dogs. Dogs in la paella.
Còn cái chỗ này đồ ăn
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Đó, đây là quán ăn ở dọc bờ sông nè.
Chỗ này chỗ hồi nãy mình đi đó. Chỗ này nè, Tiên. Không phải.
Đúng rồi, ngay cái cây màu cam kìa anh. Cái chạm màu cam của anh chụp hình kìa phải không?
Nhưng mà hồi nãy mình xuống đâu phải cái tem này.
Nãy mình xuống nhà hàng gì đó.
Rio. Cái gì Rio? Cà phê Rio. Cà phê Olé.
Olé.
Sao vậy tí?
If you guys look over here on the right side, you see that little round balcony? It says architect. Right here on the first floor were the offices of the man that created and designed the downtown Riverwalk, Mr. Robert Hoffman. He was the architect of the downtown Riverwalk.
Đâu nào kìa?
Mày có nào?
Ủa vậy đúng không? Còn mấy người này ăn trong đây tối bây giờ.
Right here on my right side is Casa Rio. Casa Rio is the oldest restaurant in the Riverwalk.
The oldest restaurant here.
Chụp. Cách sao nhấn chụp.
The oldest restaurant
Đi
here.
Thảo còn chụp không?
Không.
Sao ô lé?
Chụp kia mình chụp dính người ta.
Đâu, anh nhớ đổi ghế cho.
Thôi được rồi khỏi.
Hết xăng rồi.
Thôi được rồi khỏi.
Hết xăng.
Mình làm
Chưa đâu, nó qua đây nè, nó chóp rồi đó bên đây nè. Không cho tí
Right now we're going to make
bông đâu đi
this
quay
left
cho
turn.
mami.
We're going to get
Bông đây
away
hả?
from the Rio, from the San Antonio River. And we're going to enter
Đó,
what we call
mami
the
thích
man-made
hoa.
extension. Done to the San Antonio. Back in 1968, they opened this section on the river here to the convention center of the
Ngồi
city.
không mà mẹ ơi, người che hết
The
rồi.
World's Fairs for the conventioners and visitors who come and enjoy the downtown Riverwalk.
Chamber of Commerce.
Right here on my left side is the Chamber of
Em thấy
Commerce,
anh C2 rồi
the
nha.
city of San Antonio. And we're going to go and visit the convention
Chị
center.
Nhung kìa.
Again, this is
Anh
a
thấy không biết anh thấy
man-made
đang chụp gì
extension
đấy.
right here, done in 1968. And in case you guys are wondering if we have fish, we got tilapia, we got carp, we got bass, and we have two fish that are some fish that are native
C2
to
cái
the
nè.
San Antonio River. We got turtles.
Chị Nhung.
You guys see the dogs, we have cranes.
Chứ không
So
thôi,
the
đây quay
river
cho
is
ké
pretty-
cho miếng.
pretty sound,
Tội
pretty
nghiệp quá.
healthy.
Ké kìa anh.
Quay thôi mà sao cận cảnh gì vậy? Dọc bẻ thôi, dọc bẻ. Ghê quá.
So you got, hi guys.
À,
I see here on the downtown River.
đúng rồi. Nhà thờ sáng anh thấy gì Nhung đi.
Anh thấy đang quay á.
Khúc này đẹp ha.
Kìa, tàu kia nó hai bên kia.
Hai lại đi.
Thì nó drop nó xuống đây mình đi bộ dọc đây nè hả?
Nó dạ. Thì ba muốn đi đâu thì đi thôi đâu sao. Đúng rồi.
Đây là Riverwalk.
Riverboat. No này mình gọi cho nó sang đi, River Cruise.
Water taxi.
Vậy. Nói vậy.
Water taxi.
Right here in front of you guys are the two Marriott hotels. The one on the left side is the tallest hotel here in downtown Riverwalk, opened in 1988. And the one here in front of us on the right
Ê, có
side,
người đứng trên
opened in
lan can kìa.
1977.
Hả?
So again, both of them belong to the Marriott chain of hotels.
Xách súng rồi bắn rồi.
Rồi đi vô phòng.
And if you guys look over here in front of you guys,
Đó là
in
sao?
front of you guys to your right and top, you're going to start seeing the town of the Americas here coming out right and top. That's the Tower of the Americas, opened in 1968. It has a restaurant that goes around every hour. Three glass elevators that can take you to the top of the tower. And they have two observation decks over there at the top of the Tower of the Americas. We're going to enter here
Đẹp
the
này.
convention
Đó.
center.
Mon nữa. Me, mo
Convention
tiếp.
center Initially opened in
Mo tiếp.
1968 for the World's Fair. And it's a beautiful facility today with about 1 million
Dễ
square
sợ.
convention space. It is named after Mr. Henry B. Gonzalez.
Ê, cái gì
And
vậy?
Mr. Gonzalez,
Thấy rồi đó, Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center.
1960 to 1990.
Gonzalez.
Gonzales.
Sao đứa thì ồ lé nữa, Gonzalez kìa.
It's a beautiful facility. And right here on my left side is the Lila Corporate.
Kẻ lai là có
Mrs. Lila was the
Theater.
mayor of the city of San Antonio for 3 terms.
Lái là
And right here, let me show you the mural here on my left side. This mural was commissioned by the city of San Antonio to the Mexican artist of one
trình ghép
back in 1968. It is made up of 400,000 pieces of tile, 11 colors, and they call the name of the mural
không thấy gì hết thôi.
Confluence of Civilizations in the Americas.
Anh Hiếu không có thấy, anh Hiếu thấy mặt anh Hiếu trong màn hình của Thảo à.
In the extreme right of the mural are the Greeks and the Romans. In the extreme left, the Mayans and the Aztecs. In the middle, Adam and Eve. And then the child was San Antonio. So it was the convergence of civilizations to the city of San Antonio for the that took place.
Hiểu rồi.
33 nations came from all over the world, 5.5 visitors in 1968 for the 250th anniversary of the city of
San Antonio mà liên quan
All
gì?
these, part of all this was built as a result of the World Fair that took place here in 1968.
Tới ngã ba rồi đi.
Right here, this big
U-turn,
old thing
U-turn,
on top of
U-turn.
my head, this is the Sky Bridge.
Ê, đẹp là tiếng.
Some of the buildings here from one side and to the other. And again, my friends, this
Chụp
is
cho ba
the
mẹ tấm
station
hai là.
of the
Không, chút nữa mình U-turn lại á.
Ba mẹ, ba mẹ, ba mẹ.
Bây giờ chụp thấy đá không đâu thấy gì đâu. Xa xa đó Thảo.
Tóc này.
Chờ chút nó U-turn lại.
You guys look straight in front of you guys.
Ồ, cảnh lá đẹp quá.
This is the
Lá đẹp quá kìa mẹ.
Hemisphere Park and the Tower of the Americas. All you have to do is walk across in front of you guys on the other side. We got a beautiful park called the Hemisphere
Không mà
Park.
phải không? Quay
We
nữa
got
hả?
a couple of museums over
Trời,
there.
hai mấy phút rồi hả?
And also the Institute of Cultures from the University of Texas in San Antonio.
Ngồi đó con.
Chụp.